babes. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Good afternoon and good night. Happy Father's Day. We're talking low because we don't know if baby's sleeping or he's awake, right? So Tyler and I'm gonna check out all the stops today. We're gonna make breakfast for babe and then go get him in the room if he's not sleeping and go and wake him up if he's sleeping. So let's go do breakfast. And happy Father's Day to all the fathers that watches us. And if you're not a father, happy Father's Day to your father. Okay, anyway, so let's go do this and check out the stuff for today. Did they say morning to the faves?
Yes.
Say morning, faves. Look up and say morning.
Good morning, babe.
Okay, let's go. Let's go make breakfast. Come over here. Take a step. Okay, so for breakfast we're gonna make avocado toast and bacon for Papa. Okay? Go.
Yes, avocado.
Where is it? Where is it? He's so excited. Look at him. Alright, you guys, breakfast is ready for babe. Those are 2 drawings that Tyler did for him, and we made hot chocolate, orange juice, and avocado toast. All done. We're gonna wake up Papa. Happy birthday!
Your breakfast is ready.
Wake up. It's holiday.
Boing, boing, boing. I love jumping around. Boing, 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 boing.
Look, give Papa a hug. Sarah alone me see. Sarah, we didn't carry you.
Sarah's Father's Day for them.
Sarah want our hugs. Come, Sarah.
Yeah, Papa.
Yes, Sarah's coming and then I'm coming, okay? Papa need to open his eyes first.
Go tell Papa Happy Father's Day.
Open your eyes.
Hold on, I can't open it like this. You have to open slowly.
Happy Father's Day!
Happy Father's Day! Happy Father's Day! Happy Father's Day! Boing, 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 bing, boing, boing, boing.
Oh my
I'm gonna
God!
touch your eyes.
Come before you breakfast school. Let's go.
Let's go.
Come, Sarah.
Let's go.
Alright, Papa come, Papa come. Do you have a surprise for me?
Yeah.
Yes! Another surprise!
Yeah.
From this year.
Down this year. Down this year. Là-bas. Là-bas. Ouvre tes yeux. Avocado toast. Et deux dessins.
Wow!
Bonne fête, papa. Bonne fête, papa.
Wow! Qu'est-ce que c'est ça?
Ça, c'est une plage.
Ok. Et ça, c'est la mer?
Oui.
Ok,
Ça,
alors
c'est
papa.
toi.
Ok.
Et ça, c'est moi avec le disque.
Wow, ça, c'est les Indiens?
Oui.
Ok.
Il ressemble à toi.
Oh, oh. Ok. When's the last time Papa had a tea? Excusez-moi,
When is the last time you had a breakfast like that?
Oh.
You never had avocado toast before.
Yeah, I had it, but a long time ago.
Yes, a long time. What's inside, Papa?
You want your bacon, Stella?
Yes.
T'as bien dormi?
Oui. Et maman, elle dit, elle va faire une surprise quand c'est mon anniversaire.
Ah oui?
Oui.
Faut que tu fasses encore ça et après tu auras la surprise.
Oui. And can you make my special breakfast?
Sure.
Or else you and Papa can go buy my favorite croissant with the chocolate.
Okay.
Or you make an
You turn like your mom.
thank you, Mama.
You're welcome, baby. You feel the love?
I feel the avocado.
Stella, carry a crown, come give babe an instead. Let me see you. King.
I don't even know what I have in my head. I guess
Back
it's
around.
Repeat what Papa just told you.
Tomorrow I'm going to school.
And?
I go to the canteen.
Okay, so
It's just that it's not going to be September.
it's not gonna be September, but you go back to school tomorrow? You didn't know that?
Yes, I didn't know that.
Tyler.
Stop jumping in the coach. So what we've been telling you all weekend, you didn't understand?
Yes.
You're crazy. You're going back to school in the morning. So in the morning when you wake up, you're getting ready for school.
I'm going to my real school over there.
Right.
Like I can see
I thought you understood when we were telling you on the weekend that you're going back to school. You thought we meant September.
Yes.
Okay, you guys, my job here is done. Oxtail ready. And over here I have steamed veggies, carrot and zucchini. And then here I have rice and peas. Done for today. And then there was lunch, and that's what babe lunch is looking like for today. Let me show you guys mine. Similar to babe, but have one sausage instead. Babe, lunch is ready. You guys haven't seen Sarah all day. She just woke up from her nap. You just woke up from your nap? Yes. Clapping. Say hello to the babes. Say hello. Say hi. Hi. Nap face. Nap face. Nap face. Call Papa. 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 Call Papa. 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 Don't touch. Papa. The door, you see the surprise. Stand right there. The surprise is coming through the door.
Where's my children?
I'm going to school.
I know. I got wash my hands.
He didn't know that she coming.
I know.
Good job.
That's a should be now Daddy's turn. He told us what to do. Come on, Daddy, your turn.
Oh, me?
You, especially you.
It's me that's my queen because he's the best.
Who's the best?
That's my queen.
Okay, Daddy, you do it now. You there making us do this. Stupidness.
I'm gonna try to avoid the
Look at time.
They play the game and babe have to do whatever the paper says.
You have to sing like a whale and tap the floor for 30 seconds. How many seconds left? Higher! Higher pitch! Okay. Oh God, no. This game is a stupid game.
Oh, I'm mama to do it.
Who? Me? No,
Yes,
sir.
she
No,
laughed.
no.
Anybody that lies, have to do it.
You laughing at us.
Me at work. I am working. I am not play that foolishness. Where you go?
What you have to do? What you have to do?
I have to shake my body and talk like Donald Duck.
For how long?
15 seconds?
Yes. Go,
Alright.
Daddy. How long?
1, 2, 3.
We don't know how to dance, eh?
Talk like duck.
Donald Duck. Say something like Donald Duck. Shake your body and talk. That's right. Come on. Okay, you still have 15 seconds.
She not getting the point. I'm not giving her the point. I'm not giving her the point.
She failed.
She only shake her body.
Yes, it's your turn.
Stupid girl.
That's what I said. That's what I said.
You want me to take a picture of your plate?
Blue fit you.
Every color fit my friend.
No, blue fit you.
Every color fit me?
Blue fit you. It match your eyes.
Anyway, you guys, this is the next day after Father's Day, so we're coming on to end the Father's Day vlog, which you guys just finished watching. How was Father's Day, my love?
That was good. That was good.
It was only good.
It was great.
It was so great that babe went back for dinner twice.
I went back. At first, I I sleeping.
He slept all
And
day.
she let me sleep. She made me breakfast and fatty. Well, I won't say fatty breakfast. It was healthy. It wasn't that fatty.
Yes,
It was good breakfast, a good lunch, the rest of the barbecue, a good dinner. I went 2 times to feed my
Hear him.
baby.
Hear him, babe. Today's Father's Day. You can't tell me nothing.
So
He
yeah,
said,
I
babe, today's Father's Day. You can't tell
had
me.
a
babe.
good day. Play
And
with
Jen
the kids.
came.
Yeah, we all enjoy. No, that was good. I just needed a foot manicure massage, but I'm gonna wait till next year Father's Day.
Anyway, I'm not even listening to him. You guys, this is going to be the end of today's vlog, so give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and hopefully your dad had a good Father's Day, or your husband had a good Father's Day, or your dad.
Simple things.
Yes. Anyway, give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you are new, and go and subscribe to Body After Baby if you haven't yet done so. The link is down below in the comment section, in the description box, and to the side of our page. Love you guys. Catch up and keep up, and we'll see you guys